Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the concrete troubleshooting steps to completely eliminate the advanced shader delivery loading errors that freeze your game of startup in Forza Horizon 6. This newly implemented technology is built to instantly push cloud pre-compiled shaders straight to your local system, but an unoptimized Windows gaming background service or corrupted registry cache file can cause the cloud delivery sync pipeline to crash entirely. Your absolute first step to resolve this is to head down to your Windows taskbar, open up the Microsoft Store application, navigate directly into your personal media download library, and click the blue Check for Updates button to force a manual download of the latest gaming services update package. Next, minimize that Store application window, press your Windows key and letter R at the same time to call up the Run terminal, type %local app data % directly into the empty field, and hit Enter to open up your local directories. From here, double-click into your local low directory, scroll down until you locate your dedicated hardware manufacturer folder, such as Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, and permanently delete the entire shader cache folder structure contained inside. Safely clearing these stale files forces the cloud delivery feature to fully rebuild a fresh, bug-free pre-compiled pipeline the next time you launch. Finally, launch your Xbox app on desktop. Click the three small dot indicators right next to the game title to open up the sub-options menu, select Manage, and click Verify and Repair to instantly patch any broken background configuration data. Subscribe the channel for more videos.